Hey art friends, Mandakyns here. Today I have an excellent tutorial to share with you. We will be making alcohol inks using Everclear and Sharpie markers. This is a limited edition Cosmic Sharpie marker set, and here I'm just doing a quick color swatch with each one of the markers that I received in this package. And you'll see I'm doing a cursive style handwriting, or I said color test with Sharpie markers. I really like their colors, and one thing I will say is that I wish that the colors were named. But here is my finished swatch. And you will need a pair of gloves, 190 proof alcohol, channel locks, jewelry pliers, a funnel, sealable bottles, Sharpie markers, disposable cups, scissors, paper towels, and a shot glass for measuring. Everclear is grain alcohol, and it's 190 proof, which converts to 95% alcohol if you were curious. Here I am pouring 1 ounce approximately of the Everclear into each one of the glasses that I've set aside for the Sharpie markers. Then you'll use the jewelry pliers in order to be able to grasp the tip of the nib and remove it, placing it into the alcohol. Then grab the channel locks and pull the front part of the marker out in order to reveal the cartridge. Then use scissors, cut it into 3 parts. Oh, blooper. So wearing gloves, you'll see the process repeated a few more times. These inks can be used on any non-porous surface or in your resin art. Again, removing the nib, then removing the cartridge, cutting it into thirds, and dropping it in. Decided to use Everclear alcohol for this particular project because of the fact that the 70% and 91% alcohol are in high demand. We went to the ABC store and purchased this. It cost about $23. Swirl. Here you will see me using the funnel to place the finished alcohol inks into the precision droppers, which I will link below. And I would suggest maybe allowing these to set for an hour and a half to 2 hours. I wouldn't recommend leaving them overnight because your alcohol is going to evaporate. And then you could just cap that. And here I'm going to show you the color swatch test with each one of the colors that I just created. And my, aren't they just beautiful? See, that orange turned out a bit neon. Ooh, this one turned out like a timber wolf. I rather like it. Stay tuned, and I will share with you projects that you can do with these alcohol inks using Everclear and Sharpie markers. Thanks for watching. We'll be using these DIY alcohol inks for a variety of upcoming projects. So if you found this content helpful, please give us a like so that we know you'd love to be able to see more content like this. And smash the notification bell after you subscribe so that you don't miss any of our tutorials.